In recent times, the people I've helped with the issue of anxiety the most are those who got into a new type of life event and they were not prepared. The more you are prepared for a new situation, the more you are able to manage yourself and manage expectations when that situation begins to unfold. And if you are already in that situation now and you are being anxious and having fear and anxiety in this situation now, you need to take a step back and then ask yourself, what is it that you're missing with regards to this situation? What are you uncertain about in this new life that is unfolding for you? When you ask yourself these questions and begin to identify what you're confused about, you'll begin to gain clarity. And once you begin to have clarity, the feeling of anxiety will begin to reduce. In emotional intelligence, we call this gaining insight, and it is a part of self-awareness in the midst of a situation.